Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. Today we are going to start with our new chapter number 12, algebraic expressions. So students, before starting the chapter, let us understand few terms related to this chapter, algebraic expression. The very first term is constant. It's a quantity which has a fixed value. Constant is a term which has a fixed value. Then terms of expression. Terms of expression means parts of an expression which are formed separately first and then added are known as the terms. They added to form an expression. For example, 4x and 5 are added to form the expression, that is 4x plus 5. Students, here the terms of expression are the parts of the expression. This is the expression 4x plus 5, and here the terms of the expression are 4x and 5. When the terms of the expression are added, it forms an expression. Now next topic is coefficient of a term. The numerical factors of a term is called the coefficient of the term. For example, 10 is the coefficient of the term 10xy. Students, here the term is given, that is 10xy, and the numerical factor of this term. Students, यहाँ पर एक term दिया है, for example 10xy. यहाँ पर जो numerical factor है इस term का, that is 10. That 10 is called the coefficient of a term. Any algebraic expression can have any number of variables and constants. Students, algebraic expression is formed by variables and constant. Variables and constant मिलके algebraic expression form होता है, and the algebraic expression can have any number of variables and constant. Now students, what is variable? Variable is a quantity that is prone to change with the context of the situation. A, X, P are used to denote variables. Students, here in the term, the alphabets which are written are called the variables, and the variable is a quantity which can change according to the situation. Now we move to our next topic, like terms. Terms having the same algebraic factors are like terms. Students, those terms which have same algebraic factor, it's called like terms. For example, x, 5x minus 10x are like terms. Students, here you can see that here the variable is x, here also the variable is x, and here also the variable x is x. So if in all the terms the variable is same, then they are called like terms. Another example, 20xy, 11xy, minus 33xy are like terms. Students, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि इस टर्म में जो वेरिएबल है वो xy है, इस टर्म में भी वेरिएबल xy है, इस टर्म में भी वेरिएबल xy है. जब सारे टर्म्स में वेरिएबल सेम होता है, then they are called like terms. The numbers may be different. Next is unlike terms. Terms having different algebraic factors are unlike terms. The terms which have different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. For example, 2x, 3y, 12xy are all unlike terms. Students, here you can see the variable in this term is x, and in this term is y, and here the variable is xy. In all the three cases, the variables are different. So we can say that these are unlike terms. Now our next topic is monomials, binomials, and trinomials and polynomials. Now an expression with only one term is called an monomial. Students, when we have the expression which has only one term, it's called a monomial. For example, 2x, this is called a term, and 4x square, this is also called a term, and this term has only, this expression has only one term, and this expression also has only one term, so it is called monomial. Second, an expression with two unlike terms is called binomials. Example, x plus 4y and 2m plus 7n. Students, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर जो expression है इसमें two terms हैं. This is one term x and this is other term 4y, and the two terms are unlike. So this expression is called a binomial. Next, an expression which contains three terms is called a trinomial. Example, x plus y plus 3z or 2x square plus y plus 2y square. Students, here you can see that this expression has three terms, x and y and 3z. And this expression has also three terms, 2x square, y and 2y square. And all the three terms are unlike, so they are called trinomials, or we can say it polynomial also, as polynomial has more than two terms. Now students, let us begin with our exercise 12.1 question number 1. Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operation. Students, here few cases are given. We have to form its algebraic expression using variables, constant and arithmetic operation. Now students, let us start exercise 12.1 question number 1. In that first part, subtraction of z from y. Here we have to subtract z from y. When students, from word is given, जब from word दिया जाता है तो जो second टर्म होता है वो आपको फर्स्ट लिखना है एंड फर्स्ट टर्म को आपको सेकेंड लिखना है. मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट y minus z. So the algebraic expression form is y minus z. Subtraction of z from y. Second term, second part of question number 1. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. 1/2 of the sum. Sum means we have to add x and y. First we will add x and y. Sum of number x and y means x plus y, and we have to take 1/2 of it. Means here we will write 1/2. 1/2 of sum of x and y. Now third part of question number 1. The number z multiplied by itself. Here students, the number z is multiplied by itself. Means we have to multiply z with z only. So z multiplied by z will be z square. यहाँ पर z नंबर को itself means z से ही multiply करना है. So z multiplied by z will be z square. Then fourth part, 1/4 of the product of number p and q. Here the product of number p and q. Product means we have to multiply p and q first. So here the product of p and q will be p q, and we have to take 1/4 of the product p and q. So here the 1/4 of product p and q will be, here we will write 1/4. 1/4 of product of number p and q. Fifth one, number x and y both squared and added. Number x and y both are to be squared and then we have to add them. Means आपको x को भी स्क्वायर करना है and y को भी स्क्वायर करना है and then फिर ये दोनों टर्म्स को आपको ऐड करना है. So the answer will be x squared plus y square. Then sixth one, number 5 added to 3 times the product of number m and n. Here again product of number m and n will be mn, and then 3 times the product of number mn will be 3 multiplied by mn. 3 times the product of m and n, and we have to add number 5 to it. Means here we will write plus 5. So students, to form the algebraic expression, we have to solve the sums in parts. See here, you have to add number 5. You have to add number 5 to 3 times the product of number m and n. 3 times mn will be 3mn. So the expression so formed will be 3mn plus 5. Seventh one, the product of number y and z subtracted from 10. Here students, we have to subtract from 10 means 10 में से आपको subtract करना है. So first we will write 10 and what we will subtract from 10? Product of number y and z. Product of y and z will be yz. So the expression so formed will be 10 minus yz. Now students, 8th part of question number 1. Sum of the number a and b subtracted from their product. Here students, we have to subtract the sum of a and b from its product. Means we have to first find the product of a and b. So product of a and b will be ab. We have to subtract from their product. Means first we will write ab minus. Now sum of the number a and b will be a plus b. See students, sum of the number a and b का मतलब होता है a plus b and we have to subtract it. हमको उसको minus करना है किससे? From their product, इसी के product से. So the product of a and b will be ab. So ab minus in the bracket a plus b. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with the chapter in the next video. Thank you.